Need to change privacy settings on Thread? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily change the privacy settings. First thing first, move into Thread app. Make sure you are logged in into your specific account. Once you are logged in, move into your profile at the bottom right. Click on these two horizontal lines at the top right corner. Now simply head over to Privacy. You will be able to see all of the privacy settings. Firstly, head over to your profile privacy. You can either change your account to private or public. Now move into online status. You can choose the online status from here. If you do not want anyone to see you're online, then click on No One. Once done, now go back and then you can head over to Messages. From here you can choose the settings on who can message you. Only people you follow or anyone. Set according to your need. Likewise, head over to any other settings and change it accordingly. So this is simply how you can change privacy settings on Thread app. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.